Welcome back, thrill seekers of science. Tonight, something in the universe is beating like a cosmic heart, one that, shockingly, no human can explain. Yet. Jocelyn Bell Burnell leans in, her fingers trembling. A strange, metronomic signal pulses through her telescopia S statica regular, unwavering, and utterly alien. What could it be? She pores over days of data. The signals repeat like clockwork, but nothing in space should tick this perfectly. Not stars, not planets. No precedenta anywhere. Outside, the telescope sweeps across the blackness, hungry for answers. Her discovery threatens to topple all cosmic expectations. But what force could be so relentless? Word spreads like wildfire. Maybe signals from aliens? The press salivates, the world wonders. NASA wants answers. So does Jocelyn. But the truth is stranger still. Night after night, the signal persists and never faltering, never missed. Something is out there, precise beyond belief. But who, or what, set this cosmic clock? One pattern emerges: the signal is impossibly regular, matching no known physics. Hidden in the data a clue. What astronomical monster beats with such flawlessness? The answer lies hundreds of light-years away. A star has died explosively, collapsing into something denser than an atomic nucleus, a neutron star. But Theta S only the beginning. This stellar corpse spins faster, sometimes hundreds of times per second. Gigantic magnetic fields unleash beams of radio waves. Each spin is a pulse, sharp, reliable, inescapable. Bell Burnell connects the dots, pulsars. These cosmic lighthouses rival our most accurate atomic clocks. But why do their signals never miss a Beata Wada S? Their secret? Physicists scramble. These natural clocks defy expectations, challenging Einstein's ideas. If anything could test the limits of relativity, it's these mesmerizing stellar timepieces. But will Einstein's theory survive? Then, a double pulsar is found at two neutron stars entwined in a furious cosmic waltz. Here, gravity bends time itself. The stakes couldn't be higher for Einstein's legacy. As pulsars tick, scientists measure impossible shifts at tiny delays predicted only by Einstein's warped spacetime. Could these cosmic clocks actually expose cracks in his theory? Every measurement brings more tension. Is Einstein's masterwork about to falter under the weight of these data? Or will the universe keep his secrets locked tighter still? The universe delivers its verdict. Einstein's predictions survivia barely. Yet, the pulsars reveal twists his equations never saw coming. Science is changed, and so are we. Today, new generations hunt pulsars for deeper truths. Each discovery sharpens our clockwork understanding and whispers that the cosmos may still outsmart us all. Pulsars keep spinning, timekeepers of the cosmos. Every pulse a challenge, every heartbeat a question. What other cosmic riddles might they unlock next? One woman heard a pulse and transformed science. Listen closely, the universe still has secrets for us. What will you hear, if you dare to listen closer?